session. Lines pay attention, Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind. Structure, fibs, and order flow, profile, and volume in time. Hyena try to laugh, but the lines gon' feast. Feast. Nerd out to take the battle from LeGuiney to Wall Street.
Good morning. How we doing? Double voice or sound good? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Lions, how we doing? Yeah. Maybe Band-Aid, thank you. Franzip, thank you. Big shout outs. Good morning, my mate Nate. Ready, let's get it. Good morning. Dennis, Best Ed. JPX. Amanello, Damon, shout out PSG. PSG, stand up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. MEXC Powers. Bato. Shout out to YouTube. Jay Sucks. Bobby Toxic Pedals. Let's get it. Good morning, RPM. Bato. Sammy. Insulin Bench. How you doing? Chop House. Corsaw. Kozar. Sorry. Let's go. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Who's ready for a big weekend? Candles on top. You want to see yesterday, right? Ooh. Depends on your bias. It's something that we were talking about. Little upward consolidation. S&P juicing 6,600 on ES. We going. Ace, good morning. Good morning. J-Bucks. I'm thrilled to be here. Thrilled to be here with the Lions. Where are my MFN Lions at? Let's go. Glitch. Good morning, Tyler. How are you? How those NFTs going? Use cases. Dope profile pictures. If you don't have your profile picture updated with your Lions of Lithuania, I think you might be hoeing. Yeah, we got some naked lions in there. Go to the dashboard, exclamation dashboard, and upload a profile picture. Yep, make sure that you register for some of the exchanges. Hopefully, you can be eligible for some giveaways. The countdown. Countdown for FOMC. Who's ready? Yeah. Let's go, Buzzo. Good morning, brother. Good afternoon to you. Jay Becker, how are you doing? Mod another Discord. Bergix, good morning. Ludo. Latisse, how you doing? How you doing? Let's see if I didn't break the playlist again. Yeah, I worked on it. Hopefully it should be okay. Good tech. Ayo, Danny Bolat, shout outs to you, brother. Thank you so much. Every single day, Danny's grinding. He juicing. If you got blessed by a sub, Danny Bolat is the man to thank. He's making it rain in here on the daily. Much love, brother. Crispy, how you doing? Oh, you can hear music? Is it double music? Is it right? Yo, Fragile. How you doing? Oh no. Double voice now? Still? It's fixed? Okay. Yep. I gotta fix the monitor settings. Okay, cool. At least you have music and you can hear me. I don't need to monitor myself. I'm sounding good. I know I'm sounding good. Let's go.
Charts don't lie. No.
Yeah. Happy Friday, iTour, Orban, J-Bucks, my mate Nate. Bruh, it's me. Thanks, Reddy. That's sad. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Double juice, yeah. Pablo. Damon. Run that intro one more time. It's so fire. I'll run it for the outro. Yeah, it's dope. That's a good song. Love it. New stream schedule is in the dashboard. There's a lot going on next week. I think we got FOMC. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure we got some juice coming. Yep. So today is my morning. Mandalo at the open. It's going to be a thing for as long as we need to until our big man is back in the seat. And as long as you guys want to see me. Song small set. Yep. So we got Mandalo at the opens. 15-second TA for today. Yeah. 15-second for TA, or 15-second TA. We need to get our channel predictions in for the first 5-minute market open candle. We have TA on CMA resumptions. We're going to have a little listening party on Sunday. So make sure you clear your schedule for when futures comes back on Sunday. We got some streams all week. We got some talent shows next week. We have a FOMC party too. Let's go. I can imagine there's going to be some juice on Wednesday. I can't wait. iTour, happy Friday to you. Exclamation dashboard, exclamation BLOFIN, exclamation KCEX, exclamation who juicing. Join at the Discord. You know your boys and girls, your fellow lions are juicing in the Discord on the regular. All day, day. Good tech. Watching Wednesday on Netflix. I watched a little bit of the new season. I haven't watched the second installment of it. I don't have too much time for TV, but that show's pretty good. You liking it? Shout outs, Burbeezy. Much love, brother. Much love. Yeah, everything went well okay yesterday. Zuluk. Yeah, only got time for KIMBA TV. You said it. Yep. Who juicing? Round tripper, good morning. Calling noob, shout out calling noob. Exclamation, who juicing? Check out our counter trade of our favorite Korean streamers. Yep. Who juicing's always dropping some bombs. It's a great little watch. Yep, and the highlights that they have are amazing. They're hilarious. Yeah, shout outs to Who Juicing. Big shout outs to all the mods, all the people behind the scenes. Big thank you to KIMBA. Big shout outs to Cage, Housty, Dev Team. I'll just say that. Cyper, Buzz, Chauncey, Tiggy, MGK. Shout outs to PSG. All of our partners. Exclamation Tools. Exclamation Coinwise. There is still an opportunity to juice up on some of these sweet, sweet tools. Hidden Bull Div on CVD. Are you looking in the YouTube? You looking on EXO? Indolion, happy Friday. Gobi Crypto. Shouts Coin Nerd. I missed you, brother. Much love, don't ban me, please. Because I'd be hoeing without the KIMBA gang. Yeah. TV. On TradingView, okay. Okay. Yeah, it is. That's 30-minute though. I think the hourly paints a little bit different picture. Oh no, it's hourly, yeah. No. It's convergence at this point. There's our CVD. But in the 30-minute, yes. Yeah, it do. Oh wait, no, that's convergence as well. It's pretty far back. If you're gonna go like this. I'm running out of room. Need to just make that pane big, but yeah. Close. But yeah. Magnetize is like ruining my life right now. Yeah, it's like kind of like exaggerated, close to it. Woo woo! Hannah Montana. Cyper, let's go. BTC Live. Yep. Exclamation XO. Exclamation Boo Gammas. Shout outs to all the Lion Cubs and Lion Kings. Superman, how are you doing over there on YouTube? Let's get it. Yeah, the math is the math. That was the level. I finally figured out like where we had drawn it a few days ago. You know, we held this. That was the next one of interest. There's a few more levels above us, but like, I mean, we're running out of things to be all that bearish about. Yeah, I would say if it goes any further, you know, if we hold this consolidation down here, we might be looking at this kind of zone. And that's kind of the last straw before we really start pushing for the all-time highs again. Yeah, up here, that little sweep area, this is naked pointing control. It's the entire consolidation. Oh no, it's not. It didn't save my layout. I lied. Yeah, it is. It was just not displaying it very well. That's the entire consolidation point of control from our breakout back in July. Yeah, before we lost the range. Right through here. So my thoughts are, if we hold this zone, that's on the table. And that's the next possible reaction. You might even like hold this in the mid to high 118s, you know, like swing failed auction, something like that. But it just really depends on order flow. Convergence means you have the oscillator and price action doing the same thing. So like higher lows on both or lower lows on both. Yep. Yeah, so I'll just draw like a simple example over here for you. Go KIMBA style. Yep, you got so like lower lows and you got higher lows on your oscillator, so like RSI or CVD or something. That's divergence. It's doing different stuff. And then if it's doing the same thing, so you got lower lows and you got lower lows on both, that's convergence. Yep. And then it's exaggerated if you have your oscillator doing the same, like equal lows. So divergence can give us different pieces of information just depending on what oscillator you're looking at. Sometimes it can be indicative of absorption or exhaustion, and that's like one of the better use cases for it. Yeah, but this isn't just nerd out time, this is analysis time as well. So let's see what's going on with all of our levels. You know, we had that daily close, pretty much daily open yesterday, was above our level right here, above that sweep level. So that placed a little bit more emphasis on the importance of this being a potential breakout. 8 years, bro, let's go. Shout out to Calling Noob, much love. The Lion Gang is strong. Exclamation, we strong. I'm strong if you strong. Well, we strong then. Yeah, we held the level, wicked it on the CPI little shenanigans. Debate action and go. And S&P is honey badger when it comes down to weekly options, isn't it? Blaze Alec, let's get it. Yeah, Burbeezy. Hey, Blade. Happy Friday, my brother. Doing all right? Absolutely, Toddler. Much love. Let's go. Yeah, and I mean, you've seen these consolidations before, pushing up on a level. That box, man, that was a nice area to look at, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm keeping it there just to kind of refer to for like a retest potentially. I wonder what open interest is doing. Still holding all his longs, huh? Yeah, people are getting filled. Some new longs coming in. Previous day equilibrium right at the top of our box. Naked point of control down here. Previous day value area high. That's a nice kind of cluster of confluence, and then that monthly TPO point of control all in the same place. These are coin-wise indicators. They are juicy, juicy, juicy for helping identify levels, aren't they? Who's been having some fun with testing them out? Yeah, exclamation coin-wise. Get your predictions in. We got 9 minutes till US market open. Somebody wants to see ETH. Yeah, so I think we hold that. We're in pretty good shape. For those of you who shorted this, I mean, that's a good high. Yeah, right on the initial balance. That was pretty nice. But that doesn't mean that it's over. It's a nice high though. Yeah, you got value area high, the consolidation right there. If we look at the impulse, that was right when futures came back too, wasn't it? We are beginning to lose our value area from the impulse. Yeah, we'll see what the next 8 minutes brings and the first hourly close has in store for us. But we're below VWAP, retesting it. Yep, and this bright green right here is showing us that an 80% play is, it has the conditions that it could be a valid thing to look for. Yep, so if it starts to have some closes back inside previous day value area high, the likelihood or the probability of a rotation to previous day value area low is higher. It's fortunate though, even if that happened, it's not like the end of the world because it's still in our consolidation, it's still above that previous high, previous resistance. So SR flip. Tia, yeah, I'll try to remember. I'm gonna get Ethan here, and somebody else asked for something. I haven't charted Tia in a while. RPM longs, not kings. You got some nice kings. Yeah, it's pretty sweet, right? On higher time frames and for scalping. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. You can like tailor the colors on it too. Ondo's looking good. Sandtrax, good morning. Soul, yeah. All right, we'll quickly look at those and we'll go over to S&P before the open. What do we say about this? Man, they had to do it just to throw you off, but like that was a lot of strength right off the open, wasn't it? Soul is crazy as F, huh? Yeah, this is pretty nice. ETH needs to hold up here. If it comes back down, I would look at maybe the single print, like a little swing fail. Right in that area, that's a bullish retest. Yeah, there's a reason for that too. Yeah. But I mean, broke our line convincingly, closed above it. Game on. Open outside value area. Got an 80% setup potential here as well, but that's really far away. I wouldn't be thinking about like losing this until, you know, we start trading back in this zone. Yeah, and then for higher, I mean, like if we get some big closes up here, it depends on S&P, but you know, this is coming up on the weekend and alts love their weekends. Yeah, JV. Fib Math, how are you doing? Big cheers, thank you. You the best. All my loving, all my lions. Love, love, love. Revs Q. All right, let's look at Soul. Wait, I was gonna do high time frame. Yeah, the next area we were talking about was like in the 4650 area on ETH. These aren't too good right there either. So like 4650 to 4700. Just structure. Not that great. This is a 4-hour chart, so but we pointed this area out previously. Yeah, that's not too great. That's not too great either. Right through here. But we just gotta get some more closes up here. And it's doing what it needs to, at least on the high time frame, like what you want to see. Any trading back into the zone is getting bought back up. Sold is juice, huh? They said more, exclamation more, 244. I mean, it's like $3 away, so I don't see why not. You're looking at a sweep. Doing quick checks at the time. Potentially, like that high is not all that bad. Like, I guess. I guess it is kind of bad. I can see that being on the table. Yeah, maybe fill some of that imbalance up here. But it's just like bad highs all the way up through like the 270s. If we get up there, and if that's not a swing fail, it's going for the highs, I think. Yeah, range value area high. Shout outs to you, Mark. Damon. Yeah, more. Let's go. Stairs up. You fill in the blanks. Yeah, it's straight juice, but it closed above the level. That's a second daily close above our sweep level down here in the 220 area, 219, 220. So they're just gonna stair step it up until there's a reason not to. That's juice, Checkster. Touch my monkey, good morning. Jaskier, how are you? Superman, much love. Roscoe, how are you doing? Nico, good morning. Good morning, good morning. How's the levels? Yeah, I was reading Pedro. How you doing, Pedro? Good morning. 232 is juicy. Potentially. Yeah, just kind of that little retest. Yeah, you might come down if things get real bearish. That's not that great. I could see him just like sweeping this or like holding that single print or like little single print grab off of this area. Coming into VWAP, TDO. Yeah, and that's just local levels. It doesn't even have anything to do with the high time frame picture. Oh, ding, 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 ding. I'll go over to Tia in a few. Just remind me, all right? 8 years row. U.S. market is open. I should just get that other layout on. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Tia and then I'll click it over. I don't even know if I have it in my tickers. I'm gonna go perps. Because I don't know where it has that much volume. Let's go daily. You know what TIA stands for in the medical field? Something that makes me feel... Fredward, you should know. If you're here, shout out to Fredward. Petrus, MEXC. It's transient ischemic attack. It's like a warning sign for strokes. Bet you didn't know that. You get some medical knowledge dropped in here. I mean, I am gonna have a stroke looking at this chart. It's just sad. I'm sorry. But with the sag comes the good, right? We're holding a higher low. Things look good. We did clean that high right here. This isn't all that great. Holding this level. Held above this on the daily a few days ago. So we broke structure, broke this one. Kind of turning that into support. Now we just need to keep stair stepping up. Turn this one into support now. Yep, that's what we want. Get this off of here. Yeah, be cautious when you see like a push up into here. You got daily VWAP, you have daily open, and we have what? This is value area low right here, huh? We already lost it. Trading back in here, pixel touch. That's something. So when you're trying to look at those 80% setups, and if you've ever seen something that I posted in the past about them, or nerded out yourself. I mean, you got weekly VWAP down here too. That's holding. That's pretty good. But in those 80% plays, it's not always like a guarantee that you're going to come all the way through to the other side. You have to be cautious around the previous day equilibrium or mid and previous day point of control. That's, I mean, point of control is an important level regardless wherever you are. But when you're trying to trade through, that can be an important area for bounces. Yep, so, you know, bouncing from there, if we close back up here on the hourly, we just need to get back inside this current daily value area low, and then that's a break of structure, and it's back inside the value area, so, you know, you'd be looking at VWAP or potentially that point of control here. And I don't have previous day mid on this one, but I'm guessing it's right around that area too. Yep, right around daily open. So you got a lot of confluence. Zami, how are you? Yeah, McKillum, how are you doing? Buzzcree. Gave you a stroke? Really? P&L's having a stroke. I know. Bruh, it's me. Good morning. Ando also. Let me look at the TradFi, CME and S&P off the open real fast, and then we'll chart some other stuff. Yeah, we'll try to look at XO and some heat maps and some altcoins. Yeah, I'm not even gonna mess around. Yeah, the CoinWise indicators are so juicy. Really, really enjoying working with them. Yep, testing them out, trying to find some edge with it. Exclamation CoinWise, if you haven't tried them out yet, they have a trial on their pro indicators and they are really nice. I've been enjoying it for sure. Yeah. Riddler, good morning. How are you? Same datelines. Hurry up. Adam Everdot. Yeah. Bobby Tyson Pedals. Jedi's Kirk, how are you doing? Dolkong, stand up. Toya, how are you doing? Biffum. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. How you doing, brother? S&P. This is the ES too. But I mean, we keep saying it. That's a good low. Hit some trailing stops, I'm sure. It's a big imbalance down here, but we had a shitload of single prints going into that last push yesterday, didn't we? Power hour looked juicy. Let's see, where's power hour? Right. Oh no, it was after. Yeah, that was like right off of the let me make sure my chart's right. Yeah. Right off of resumption, and they had left that bad high through here. We marked it yesterday. And see ya. Just leg up. Yeah, who knows? This is weekly options day right before FOMC. We got quarterlies next week. So KIMBA, he's been away this week. He probably will be away for a little bit longer. We have a stream schedule, exclamation dashboard. Check that out. There's a lot of events planned for next week. So hopefully we can kind of keep you guys happy. Even if it's not KIMBA here, we're going to do our very best to give you the best juice possible, at least within our capabilities. Yep, been doing a lot of giveaways this week. We've had some fun listening parties. We've done some TA, some juice and some levels. We've given away a ton of indicators. So exclamation coin wise are some really, really cool tools that we've been working with. I don't think that there's that many other people, other communities that have had the opportunity to give it a shot yet. So be in the first group of people that are trying it out. It's really nice. It kind of combines a lot of things together and clarifies a lot, and then it does a lot of unique features as well. Yeah. Trying to establish stability. Big shout outs to you. Killjoy. That's me. That's me. I'm a Killjoy. Good morning, Santa Gage. Santa Gigi. How are you? Big long today. Let's go. Jedi's Kirk. Back to YouTube. You missed the beginning. We haven't really done too much. We just kind of like charted Biddy, ETH, and Sol really fast. Yeah, we just kind of easing in. Feeling juicy, Mark. Yeah, we got a CME resumption thing going on Sunday. Lua Bambua, let's go. You're welcome. Yeah, I still miss KIMBA also. Yeah, it's nice to like hype up and get work done while KIMBA's streaming. You know, be more aggressive with the charts, but such is life. He's working on some juice for us, I think, so stay tuned. Sophia, good morning. Domcheck, Maxi. Let's go. Let's go. Zamil. Yeah. 2 letters, 1 word. KIMBA levels on Sol, 230. I think he was saying 236 or something. But we just marked some very interesting levels. I'll go back to Sol in a minute. I want to finish TA and CME and S&P. Yeah, you don't want to give this move back, but there's some boot gammas down below. Exclamation YouTube. 5650 maybe. And then our 6650, 6600. Yeah, we'll see if I can do it without breaking it. I shouldn't do this. Coin Nerd's gonna ban me. But I'm gonna try. Oh, I already got sniped. Oh, it's because I'm not logged in with that account. Yeah, I can't mess with that all right now. Bob Saget. Indo Lion. Any of you remember that old YouTube video? It's so funny. Yeah, shout outs to the Lions of Lithuania. We got the Bugama cheat sheet. Beautiful. Yeah, first major application for it. Awesome. Hold a short before the weekend. I mean, the math is the math. You have a good high. Yeah. Did you get in on that, or you just shorted? Biffum. What are you on? Ogre, how are you doing? Good morning, JV, Mark, Good Tech, Indo Lion, Santry. Yeah, without filling the gap, I know. Thanks, Lua Bambua. I appreciate it. Thank you. I'm trying my best here. I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to share some charts with y'all, share some vibes. I'm gonna try not to break the music today. We'll see what I can do. That was not me yesterday after the stream was over. Yeah, Good Tech, right? Yeah, it was, they were updating the server. It's too chill. I know, we need to like get some juice in our levels, right? We'll come back to here after the initial balance, but I like it. That's a pretty good high. RTH though. Gap up. Dip the tip. And we still have more gap to go. Look at that, we marked that yesterday. Almost. Almost. I mean, for being like way down here, wherever we were when we identified that, I think I don't remember if I drew that yesterday morning or I think I might have done it when I was talking with Coke Zero. Yeah, but that's not that bad. Yeah, and then I should have gone like that with the VWAP. But that's pretty clean. And it's a 15 minutes, so let's see 30 minute how that looks. It looks even better in 30 minute. You know, break above, failed auction. Need to hold this. You got volume down here. The whole consolidation. I mean, that's what you see in a lot of bullish retests. Yeah, that's not too good right there. This is actually a like a tick higher, but it didn't clean anything. It looks like it's a tick higher to me anyways. All right. Biffum, what are you in? You're in 116K? But weekend's coming, I know. KIMBA AI. I miss the Elon talking about, you know what's really juice? Hydroponics. The Elon AI 120 Latisse. We'll see. Buzzcree, let's go. Yeah. You know this by now. Just BTC, USDT. What exchange are you trading on, Biffum? Or are you on multiple? Inky, let's go. Maybe. Exclamation coin marks. Are you using the indicators, dude? I call him dude because I surf and I know he surfs, and it just like is a natural thing for me to say. MEXC, I love it. Yeah, KCEX is nice too. Yeah. Shouts to you, brother. Hope it juices. The hydroponics thing was funny as hell. That's amazing. Thank you, Biffum. Yeah, big cheers. Yeah. MEXC, let's go. Let's go. Are there ways where you live or you travel when you have to or want to go surfing? Yeah, that's awesome. Maybe Band-Aid. They're really good. Yeah, they're awesome. You don't even need all of them. It's just finding the right combination that works for you. And I'll look at different ones in different time frames and different layouts. I've really been enjoying it. Yeah, I haven't had as much time as I wanted to really dial in my my preferences, but even with the amount, oh my god, MEXC, are you for real? That's amazing. J-Bay is like one of the best waves in the world, so shout outs to you. Oh my gosh. Juice. I get chills thinking about that. That's so fucking sick. Let's go. I've never been. I've always wanted to go, and now like Mrs. Mandalo is concerned about like traveling the world and stuff. I used to do a lot of traveling now. It's never made it over there. I want to go to Namibia also. Yeah, but I am a regular footer, so J-Bay definitely appeals to me a lot more. Oh, I need to get, let's see. For my boy Biffum. Yep, I'm all, you got all my info now that you see my trading view URL, I think. Yeah, we grab one single print. It's pretty common to do that, and then not the other. So we still have a little bit of resistance, and then we identified this level up here from before for that one single print. And then that was the next area, potentially Biffum, if you missed the very beginning. It's just the point of control. You had that high, the point of control for the whole consolidation. If we stay under this, that's a lot better sign. I'm sure it's a better sign for you being in at 116 and that's 115.5. That's pretty good. We were just talking that we need to be concerned a little bit about this consolidation here, the bounce, the level that we traded within all day yesterday before the breakout at CME resumption. Macaulay came back, parents came home, and the parents said, let's get the, let's juice this house up, right? Time to clean up. We had a shitload of shorts built up, it looked like, and there is a lot of longs in the market right now. You have MEXC? That's amazing. That is so sick. Yeah, a little short. Yeah, and then just spot plays. Yep. If I come to Bali, yeah, I will, round tripper. Shout outs to you. Bali is another amazing place. Yeah. On the free, Zavi, on the free trading view, yeah. Yeah, and the cool thing, yeah, OIN levels. Yeah, I like the levels because you can get point of control, you get VWAPs, and you get like the actual levels. It's really cool, and you can like kind of tailor that a little bit. And then the TPO PVP one. Yeah, but the oscillators are juiced too. The divergences one is really nice, and you can kind of like drag them in and out or just have different windows open. Like you can do that, can't you? Portugal, that's on the list too. Yeah. Yeah, I would love to go there also. I'm like always sat in front of a computer. I used to travel so much. But yeah, those are all amazing places. Shout outs to all of you living in these beautiful surf blessed countries. Poland is the best country. I don't know about the waves though. Much love to Poland. Shout outs to y'all. Oh, you get 4? If you have another window open, Zavi, probably. Yeah, open 3 windows and then you get all of them. Bermuda, I don't know about waves in Bermuda, my mate Nate. I live like 420 miles away from it. And it's right off the coast from where I live. I live in like the middle east coast of America. Yeah, and it's pretty close. Y'all are always like have hurricanes kind of threading the needle around you and sometimes getting hit. Yeah, I know it's beautiful there though. Peniche, yeah. Peniche. Super tubes, yeah. Yeah. I think when I get over there, I probably will spend like a month and do a couple weeks there and maybe do like a week in Morocco. Yeah, I would love to go down there too. Hurricanes typically once a year. Yeah, that was a big one that just came through, wasn't it? Amazing. Utah, shout out to Utah. Sad news over there, but Utah's a beautiful place as well. Yeah, I got an advert for a surf community that they made over there. It's like a wakeboard and surf park, and they build like $1 million houses around the whole like surf park. It looked pretty cool. Yeah, the lots there are like 700K, and it's like in the middle of nowhere in Utah. Dick Flex, how you doing? Good morning. Crispy, Poland. You're from Poland as well? Yeah, this isn't a surf screen, but yeah. Yeah, shout outs to Bugs also. He lives in a beautiful place. Yeah, Ace. How are you doing, brother? You doing okay? You're from Morocco, Wiztard? That's amazing. Yeah, I'm sure I will. My neighbors, they travel a lot more than I do. And they did like the glamping thing there after they stayed in some like nice places in the cities. And it sounded really cool. They like took a 4x4 and went out in the desert and to some really cool like tents and stuff. They said it was badass. Oh, Bugs, happy birthday, happy belated birthday. Shout outs to all my birthday enjoyers. ATX in the house. Yeah, where I live, it's not that good of waves, but they just opened a surf park. So it's kind of like a concession to not being able to get any very often here. So we get waves every day if we want. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I've tried it once. You know, hopefully I'll get some time soon to be able to spend more sessions in it. But it's not like the real thing. It just is like enough to get your fix. And nice being a trader, like you can go like and schedule a session. Being a surfer, sometimes you have to like drop everything if there's waves. And if you're not able to, then you just totally miss it. Kind of like with trading though. You know, you like working or sleeping and you miss a trade. It's like, well, you gotta like wait for the next one. What if you miss like the 98K, right? That's like the epic day of 1 year. Or the 74K. Rest in peace. I'll pour one out for you. XU, how are you? Yep, he's been away this week. He probably won't be back for a little bit. But we're trying to hold it down. You're in Tunisia? Freedom Flotilla, yeah. Yeah. Much love to Tunisia. Dick Flex. That's right. Much love. Much love. S&P is scary while it's at its all-time high. I mean, let's do some theoretical things. I'm gonna look at this for BIFM really fast. That's a bad low, but hold this, break structure, close above this, close above that. You got the pointy control, you got the VWAP to contend with. I'm just gonna throw on some like actual TPOs instead of the just the levels. And we're above TPO pointy control. This is like really high tick size. I think it's like $60 rows. I think this is the correct one. Yeah, and we've been holding value area low for both TPO and for volume, session volume. TPO pointing control, close above this, looking better. Close above this, looking better. Worse for shorts though, unfortunately. I'm guessing anybody that got in the high, like this is pretty close to where your invalidation is. Yeah, I could see like coming through like and then this high right here kind of, that's gonna be, if it makes it all the way up there, that's gonna be the decision point. If it doesn't just like go like that. Yeah, if you're bullish, you want to see it like roll over before it gets there and hold this. That's more. If you see this or like that, getting back below this zone. You know, you could just like chop around here all weekend. Which is not like a surprise to anyone that's been with us, right? Who's trading this weekend? Satoshi, much love. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Renee's. That's awesome. That's amazing. Yeah, some people want to get juiced up, like the KIMBA streams, the hype is their coffee. I got to kind of ease into the day, even though I've been up for like 4 hours. Alts do love the weekend. Yeah. Yep. Indo Lion lurking over there in YouTube. Let's go. Choppa, S&P to 6,600. I'd say that there's a good possibility. I'm so glad that you are here. Welcome. Exclamation welcome. Gonzas, how are you doing? Good morning. Yeah, I said I was gonna do TIA. Let me just open up the TIA chart and we'll go back over to S&P. See what's going on over there. That's what I was doing. I was trying to, oh, it was wrecked, I think. Who got hit with those Windows updates the other day? This one that I just have YouTube streaming on, it's yeah, you got some boo gammas up there. You got a lot. And then 6,600 looks like the biggest. So, yep, I wouldn't say that it's out of the realm of possibilities. Oh, I already charted it, didn't I? Okay, so the playlist just ended. Should I chance trying to turn on the normal stream music? Dexter, good morning. How are you doing? No weekend nerd out. Yeah, the nerd outs have been kind of like all week. I have a lot of other work things that I'm involved with, and it's kind of choosing nerd outs or market open with everyone. But I will have some more nerd outs. I will. We'll probably do one next week. Yeah, we have already checked Sol. We'll go over there in a few minutes. But we were looking at the 244.70 level, somewhere around there, that sweep. And there's a couple other pieces of confluence, but we did TA it right before market open. Should I chance trying to do the stream playlist? I might be able to handle it. Let's see if I can. I forget which one I was using before. I can't use one of like the new news. Those are reserved for Kimba. Even if he's not here, I can't be stepping on his toes. Not that I could. Let's see. I'll go with like a little bit older one, but a juice one. Yeah, look at that. Oh no. All right, I'm gonna try not to break it. Are you guys getting music? How about the voice though? Is it double voicing? No double voice? And you can hear music. Is it loud enough now? Tiny bit low. Is it too loud now? I think it's... Yeah, I know. I'll get sniped for real. Awesome. Yeah, let's juice. Yeah, the first half hour is over. That's not that bullish right there. For OI. It's not that bearish either though. Like at the high and then falling back down. It's pretty normal. It's kind of reset. Yep. And that's our level. I'm gonna hide a few of these. That's not really in our way, but it still is like kind of in my eye line. I just want the chart a little cleaner. Oh, and we need volume on here, don't we? I'll draw a tiny box up here. And I'm gonna let you in on a little bit of secret since we might as well. Right there. That's the value area high. Some of you saw me do this when we were doing the volume nerd outs. I didn't mean to have two of them on there. Alright, point of control. Yeah, where's the delta? Period, 1 bar. This is kind of like the hack way for... Oh, first time chat. Let's get out of here. Now I'm sipping on success like a double cup. KIMBA gang rich, profits never stop blowing up. Juice like a motherfucker. Homie, don't get it twisted. I'm grinding till the day I'm fully liquid. Wrecked. Don't click those links. Shout outs to all the mods. Sniping them. I'm trying to TA for everybody. Let's go. Daddy coin, never forget. Yep. All right. So what I was trying to show you guys, I was trying to set this whole little thing up. I got it on Delta. And so we got points of control, and we can kind of see, like, it's kind of like footprint. But I'd say, like, that's probably like your last straw. And fixed range kind of shows it also with that little bit larger volume node. I'm not going to call it a high volume node because it's for like 4 candles. Yeah, but if it closes up here, that's kind of like the bear's last hope. To me, anyways. So that's how I put that on there. Yeah, we don't really need the visible range.
Okay. Let's go. 786 775. But big.
Well, you remember when we drew that trend line? Just move the line. Where's Jesse Papinkman at? Yeah, BLOFIN. That's right. Get him. I kill him. Big shouts to you.
Jesse.
I know. Delete the line.
Jesse.
What did I crash? Shout out Cyper. Good morning, brother. Good afternoon to you. Soyo.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, Kimba's, he was moving and he had some work travel that he had to do. Yeah. Some of it is involved with the community though, so stay tuned. Yeah, he'll be back. He'll be back. We're gonna do our very best to take care of the Lions, to help you all out every way we possibly can. Exclamation dashboard for the stream schedule. Any surprises from Kimba in the dashboard in the Discord. Yep. Sign up in the exchanges for chances at the giveaways. We did a lot this week. Yeah, it's pretty amazing that we were still able to run some giveaways in Kimba's absence. Thank you to Kimba. Yeah, he's got office stuff that he has to do. He's got a lot of plate spinning, dude. Yeah, but he's not like the type that like they're like, hey, we're a man short, so you're on call today. His pager's going off the way that like doctors still wear pagers. I don't know. I think some of them still do here. It's crazy. Like that's the only thing that people have pagers for. That like drug dealers don't even have them. And that was like the only people that used to have pagers back in the day. Right?
I remember when I was down, pockets hurting bad. No direction, lost in life, man, it was sad. Then I met the
We got 15 minutes left on the initial balance.
Now I'm in the game, stacking profits, playing smart. Leveled up, now I see it all from a higher view. Market moves, now I know exactly what to do. Broke no more, now I'm
And it didn't take that level, so I don't like that level anymore.
just like we should. Now my grind is
But you got bad lows.
market moves, yeah, it's level to level.
What would Kimba do? He would be fibbing this. And we're looking at 5-minute charts. Let's go. Hold that 382. Look at that. You got a megaphone on the 5-minute chart. What's that even mean? Too European. Yeah. Shout outs to pager enjoyers. I remember when you could start like having a pager and like it was the two-way, I think, but it wasn't a phone or something. I don't know. But dude, back in the olden days, like trying to get your like 420 911 onto a pager, you had to do like, it was a pain, right? I told you I'm a boomer. MGK put that one in the highlights. I'll definitely get fired from my real job. Shout out to MGK. Shout out to the whole gang. I can't even look at all these flips on here. We're holding 382. I just can't look at 15-minute charts. Sorry, guys. Or 5-minute charts. Yeah, we're holding. Let's actually TA this instead of speculating. So TPO and volume pointing controls right here for our session. Let's say for the whole range, since we came up here. TPO point of control just shifted. Did you guys see that? It just shifted. Yeah, a lot of confluence above us, but we're above VWAP. How about on session VWAP? RTH. I'm not going to try right now. I mean, we haven't really been trading long enough to have a good RTH VWAP. You know, it takes, I don't know, maybe a couple hours, in my opinion, to really establish enough volume for that lagging indicator to kind of catch up and be reliable. But for our session since yesterday, I mean, how about we do off of the True Daily Open? So 10 hours back, 4 o'clock. Get rid of the old one. Yep, so that's 4 UTC. We're just sat in between some levels, right? S&P and CME BTC 1. He is streaming CME on YouTube, isn't he? Yeah, the problem with streaming them, and I don't even know about the permissions, but there we go. I was like getting ear blasted. Paper reaching for the skies. Let the beat breathe. You about to find out about the megaphone. Rug Ranger. That's Rag Ranger 69. Yeah, maybe so. It might just megaphone some more until power hour. Hard, no time to rest. Wrist on ice, go chains on chest. Yes, the Gex on there. He used to have it. I think part of it, and I guess it's something to like note down for potentially the future,
Celebrate the wins, toast to life. Smoking, let's
you know how like Macaulay, good morning Strat, Macaulay and Weekends, they don't have any trading.
Gang, we living nice.
It's hard to like host a channel like for constant YouTube viewers, like 24/7, managing the channel, and he's already got a lot of channels. I think it's a lot to kind of take care of, but I don't really know. I shouldn't even speculate about that. That would be cool though. It's hard to hear me. I turned my own.
Would you see forever?
I need to test this out. Is it better now? Is it better now?
Smoking letters we create.
Oh.
Dreams no more weight.
That's hilarious. Now the music's a bit too loud. My mic is good. Test net, test net. Yeah, everybody said that the music was good before. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, everybody wanted it louder before. How is it now? Is it better? All right, shouts to y'all. I'm here for you. I'm your humble servant.
KIMBA gang on my shoulders. We ain't folding.
Yeah, maybe so, McKillum. Owner, how you doing? Cream, shouts to you. It's Pilot, how you doing? OG, Plateau. Dimitri, how you doing? A lot of people are saying it's good now. Yeah, shouts to you. Mark. Yeah, let's get it.
Never switched up, kept the circle tight. Now we up so high, every view feels right.
Petrused. I like 2 letters, 1 word. That's one of my favorites. I like that Candlelight song. I forget what the name of it is. If it comes on, I don't even think it's in this playlist though, but if it comes on, I'll be like, yeah, that's the one I'm talking about. There's a lot of juicy ones though. It's hard to like, I don't even know what the titles are. I'm like just learning a few of the titles. Bugatti's in the driveway, lettuce on the plate, but it's deeper than the flex. It's the fam we create. KIMBA gang built this, brick by brick. Juice dripping loyalty, yeah, that's the trick. Never chase fame, just the vision we had. Now the math checks out. How about CME?
Yeah, the grind saved us, the struggle made.
Value area high, right from the point of control.
Cheers to that.
VWAP, value area high is strong. Right in that box again. Delete the box for God's sakes. Your game is flipped. Did they?
Teach me how to win. Now the juice so sweet, yeah. And my lettuce so green. Juice. Yeah, we earn this. Work too hard to live like this. Juice flow.
I'm not logged into my Bugama.
From the dirt to the stars all green like the prophets. KIMBA gang worldwide. Now they watching my pockets. Yeah, they watching the prophets.
So I'm just like going blindly off of the YouTube. Exclamation boot gammas, exclamation dashboard. You like the elevator music better? Your favorite to do work? Yeah, I need to add some more songs to that playlist. It's only like 30 minutes long, so we listened to it like two times or 3 times in a row. Yeah, I thought I would change it up for this hour. Yeah, and this one's like an hour and a half long. Yeah, we ended it on When the Drones Start Flying the other day. I like this song.
KIMBA gang, we juicing up. What? Roll up, light it up.
This makes me sleep. Yeah, some of the songs make people sleepy. Some of them. The Christmas lights. Shouts to the Christmas lights. Oh, Ace, that's your favorite song? Or that's the name of the song, Ace.
Pull up in a drop top, sipping on some dirty juice. Plug just hit my line, said he got another move. Trap still.
Yeah, the jazz like is better for me. Long nights turn to long flights. Yeah, and we are frequent flyers on KIMBA Airlines, are we not? I think that I've read the charts pretty well with y'all this week. We did some nerd outs. We did some pretty juicy TA. Hopefully you guys have been juicing this week. Let's keep it up.
Got these streets in a chokehold. Ice up on my wrist, got me feeling like a snow globe. Ain't no capping, this ain't fiction, boy, this real life.
Yeah, I know, like, I'm no KIMBA. I have a different vibe for sure. But I'm trying my best for you. Hopefully, seeing things from a different perspective is, even if you're not picking anything up, maybe it gives you some ideas. McKillum, call music, no copyright. Yeah, navigating the no copyright music is still kind of like, I think it's more complicated than I know about. But I like when I was doing some other video stuff, I would use some of it. You just had to like give them the proper credit and stuff. Move the clock down instead of top left. You talking about like for the stream overlay that's up over my Agger? Yeah, I can't change the overlay. The dev team and KIMBA kind of have been designing it for a while, and that's the reason that I put the Agger over on that side, was hopefully I wouldn't like mess with the charting as much. Yeah, I am unable to do anything about that. A couple people have said something now, so like we've noted it down. That's KIMBA's decision. So I think overall, like the overlay went really nice, and actually today was the smoothest transition into the stream for me that I've ever had. It was really, really juicy. Like shout outs to Dev for getting this thing Gucci Magucci. Shararara. Yeah. Hey, cheers. Sophia, how are you doing? Ranger. Peace. I know. Yeah, a lot of turbulence. Yeah, I wanted to go 15 minutes. Maybe it's more exciting in the 15-minute chart. Yeah, the problem is I had the TPO, and that's not like actually a single print. Yeah, and the reason that it's all like a pale red background is because this is the RTH gap right here. That's the top of it.
Money in the air, chart spinning, racks flipping, see us everywhere. Squeezing kimchi out the block, saddles feeling pain from the jungle to the globe. Lions run the game, watch the Bitcoin rise, 100K in sight. Jerome H. Powell making history tonight. Liquidity flowing. We stacking up them racks, 6 figures turning 7. Ain't no looking back. We the market makers, we run these scenes. Flexing in our Bugattis, living like kings and queens.
And it's almost filled. It's 89% filled. Yeah. If you're curious, let me see if I can figure out how to show it. There we go.
We doing
Let me
our
go
best.
top right.
PSG's rocking.
This is just for fun to show you guys. You can see some of the gaps.
Like the weather. KIMBA's the lion, true king of the pride. Showing all the fam, we got
The 1 second chart. Yeah, we did some 10-second charting yesterday. Oh, it covers the ticker. This is CME. You know, there is a way to combat that, and that would be add the watermark on the background, but my charts are already so congested that it's very difficult to swallow using that. But check out these. It shows like your gap size and stuff, and like when they were printed. Where are they? I think. Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't show where they are. There might be like an option for that. I don't know. I can't work this thing. It's not I can't work it. I haven't had the time to really dial everything in, but I thought that was pretty neat. I'm not trying to have the table on here right now, but it's cool for reference. I do like those options. TPO has a pretty cool one also. If nobody has like played around with it and discovered it yet.
KIMBA gangs the crew, we demand respect.
Let's see here.
Money, fame, success, we taking it all. In Laquania, we chill, hear the market call.
I'm trying to do it the lazy way. Ugh. And it's not working out for me. It's pretty cool. So if you have if you're using the TPO thing, it can show like what your tick size is. So it'll tell you how many dollars per row it is. Tick size $5 per row. It's not bad. I don't think that's correct. Oh, it is really high actually on this one. But I don't think that I'm even using yeah. I like it in, yeah, it is actually really big. Let's see here. Oh, it's because I had it laid out for another one. I like it in 12. It seemed to work pretty well there. Let's see how that turns out. Is it gonna... Yeah, there we go. $60 per row. Yeah, minimum is 5. I don't want to go that small. 60 seems to work okay in this big price action, and you know, back in the day when we were like, we've been talking about that, but $20 rows was super juicy. It's really nice to look at tooltip. Okay, so but single prints, the smaller tick size the better, but for everything else it's not like as good. And the less ticks per row you have, the less historical profiles you can see or calculations you can see due to TradingView. It can only do like a certain number of calculations. Yeah, maybe the MEXC USDT 1 second chart. All right, so what I was talking about on this, you see this little like graph thing right there? It should work. That little graph thing right here. Come on, work. Oh, I'm gonna have to hit up their Discord. Oh, it's still loading. I like this part. Yeah, this graph is fire. Oh, I went too small maybe? Let's test it over in the Coinbase layout. What's S&P doing? Yep, megaphone be megaphoning, right? I'm not like actually calling that. I'm being a little bit sarcastic with my megaphone analysis, but it is pushing up on value area high above that point of control. And let's see if these ending. Oh, I think my tick size is messed up on that. There we go.
Yo,
Yeah.
we ain't doing this for nothing. Blood,
We
sweat,
ain't.
tears, whole lot of long nights. If you ain't willing to lose it all, you ain't built for this. KIMBA gang, we juicing the fuck up.
Came up out the mud, had to boss up. Late night, stomach hurt, but I ain't lost trust. Kept my mind on the bag, kept my feet on the gas. Told my brother stay solid, we ain't never looking back. Block hot, but my vision cold as ass.
See if I can show you that
Took a
tooltip
L,
on
but
this
I
one.
turned it into passion. Hustle like I'm Nip, stay sharp like I'm 50. You ain't talking money, little homie, then you miss me. Sacrifice my sleep, I ain't seen my bed in weeks. They was counting me out, now they watching me eat. Grind heavy, heart colder than 100 below. When I touch it, best believe it's finna double and grow.
Oh, it's because I don't have
Juicing the fuck
TPO
up,
on
I ain't
it.
letting up now. All the meals I took, look how
It's
I'm
not-
winning right now. Pressure
it's
make diamonds,
operator
I was built from
error.
stone. You ain't working like me to
Let's
stay
go
the fuck
Fibbo
off the
math.
throne. Look, money don't sleep, neither do I. I've been grinding too long to let a broke boy slide.
Yep.
Had to cut some ties, I ain't stressing the loss. If you ain't help build a table, you ain't eating with boss. They ain't
the
show
TPO
love when a youngin' was down. Now my wrist cold and my bank account loud. Told my mama I got us, I ain't letting shit break me. Every dollar made was a risk, ain't no safety. Look me in my eyes,
All right.
tell me what you see.
Try
Soul
3.
full of scars, but a heart full of G's. This ain't luck, boy, this that get it out the mud. Ain't no cheat codes here, just sacrificing blood. Joyce in the fuck up, I ain't letting up now. All the mails I
It's
took,
that
look
little
how I'm
box
winning
right there.
now. Pressure make diamonds, I was
Finally.
built from stone. You ain't working like me.
Any of you
stay the
find that
fuck
little
off the
Easter
throne.
egg? That thing is juice. That's pretty cool, huh? Superman, much love to you. And to your family. You're a dad, I think, aren't you? That is juice.
KIMBA gang, we ain't playing with y'all. You either grind or you starve.
What I like in some of the other platforms will display this information and whatnot, but it's like they put it right above the chart and it takes up your whole like screen. It says 5th of September on top. Where does it say that?
Yeah, yeah. Who juicing? KIMBA gang. S-N-P, help me. S-N-P, help me. Who juicing? KIMBA gang. Hey.
Noted.
S-N-P, help me.
Noted. Yeah, you're right, Curvies. LOL.
Confluence, move so deadly.
Sound is still okay? I had to go look. Dude, my eyes? Did I look cross-eyed? 3 boys. Shout outs to you, Superman. Much love to your fam too. Cutting their hair. Yeah, I have a 1-month-old and a just turned 3-year-old. The 3-year-old's my daughter. Love it. Love the fam. Amazing. My daughter has kind of curly hair, and it's a shame because I just cannot wait to give my son a mullet. I'm so proud to have a boy that I can give bowl cuts and mullets and rat tails to. Yep. So all the sweet hairdos that you just can't expose a daughter to. Yeah, I'm teaching to be badass. Yeah, she, as soon as she could like hold her hands up, I was like having her click buttons for me, just for the lulz. But yeah, she'll learn. She's very smart. You know, every parent's like, yeah, they're so advanced for their age, but she's like learning to read. She just turned 3. I don't know if that's good, but it seems pretty good. I still haven't learned to read, so let's go. Bowl cut, yeah, I know, for real. Yeah, Mrs. Mandalo is Asian too, so like, there's a chance that he could have like an epic bowl cut. But that's a must. That's a must if you're Asian, to have the bowl cut, to maybe have like the rat tail or like a nice little like mullet. Yeah, reading, I know, maybe Band-Aid. I read with, yeah, not much proficiency. Dilophosaurus. Yeah, she is. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah. Somehow I hit the jackpot. She not only is the good-looking one in the relationship, but also what many Americans dream of is having a Asian wife. I don't know. A lot of people I know do, for real. Yeah. Lucky me. Lucky man. Yeah, she's a great lady. Look at that. Single print grab perfectly. Clean those shitty lows. That was clean. But let me get some 2 letters, 1 word in the chat. Yours is Asian? Filipino? Dilophosaurus, are you in the US? 2 letters, 1 word. Yeah. Ready? Let's go. UK? Nice. Nice. I didn't know that there was much of the Filipino population in the UK, but that is amazing. Yeah. Yeah, some of Mrs. Mandalo's good friends are Filipino. And super, super, super nice people. Yeah. We have a pretty strong population of Asians in our area. It's awesome. Need a soul and Sui grab. Yeah, let's let Biffum juice up real fast first so he can, you know, have a good weekend, and then we'll see about everything else, right? Because he's probably the reason that we're nuking. Thank your boy if you're in a short. Let's go, Biffum. Dipception, how you doing? Dan Green, let's go. Thank you, brother. Filipino nurses, nice. You get to your age, start dating women so you can... Yeah, get yourself a nurse. If you marry one, then you got free healthcare, right? Biffum's biffuming. It basically is a market maker, right? Yeah, that's a good plan to have. I don't know what to do about myself, though. Mrs. Mandalo is not a doctor or a nurse. But she looks good in a nurse's outfit. Ayo! Ayo. We were just shouting you out for nuking the market for us. Thank you, Biffum. Big cheers. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. FOMC, yeah, we're ready for it. We're gonna have a big week coming into it. Yep. Go to the dashboard, check it out. We got a bunch of events lined up. Maybe some surprises. Yeah, let's go, Biffum. Let's go, thank you. Ah, feel good. Hey, you might get another chance. Let him juice up real quick. He probably shaved a little bit on that single print, or he's holding it for exclamation 0. I know. You gotta love your boy Biffum though. Yeah, he is always sharing the love. You know, like this is divergence now. It is not confluence. Oh, I know. London session's about to conclude, so you got a profit taking. Duh. Right? I think their settlement's at 11:30. Fibception. He just asked a question? Wait, Biffum did or who did? Oh, or you did, Fibception. Thank you so much. Big cheers. Shout outs to you, brother. I don't know what's going on. I think the dev is trying to work on the layout, but it might just be the way that we're patched in and not directly on Kimba's computer. Yeah, we got to sort that out. I'm going to jot that down. Thank you so much for that, though. I'm so thrilled to be here with you. And yeah, big cheers, Fibception. Thank you. Biffum, cheers to you too, brother. Of course. But yeah, thanks, Fibception. Yeah, they might be aware of it. I am being irresponsible. I let my communication chat go dormant. I got so involved in juicing with my lions. That's a kachoy. Yeah, thank you, Fibception. I hope that you're... What? Because I'm not in his penthouse, he won't let me in. Coin Nerd already let the doorman know that, like, if I get anywhere close to there, that to call the authorities. You feel me, Hinky? Yeah, okay, so Reddy knows what's up. Shout outs to Reddy. Big cheers, brother. Much love. Yeah, Reddy's really, really talented. There we go. Yeah, I do not either. That's a kachoy. Yeah, hopefully we can get that squared away soon. No. Yeah, that would be really, really, really nice. But shout out to all of you spreading the love. Yeah, let my computer go dormant. And that was the whole point. Like, freed up some real estate for y'all. Yeah, my big plans this weekend are to migrate as much as I can to a new computer and hopefully get the resolution up for you. Yeah, because I know that it's not like ultra peak HD. I think that we'll be back to 1440 if I can get everything set up on the new device. Yeah, I don't know about on Twitch, but for YouTube it should be. Smoking lettuce with my charts. Yeah, it just takes some time to like get all the things set up. I gotta get the gotta get the OBS looking Gucci. Crypto, forex, NFTs. Big bags, we don't do no fees. Pass the vibe, we do it with ease. Hey, them say KIMBA gang to fly. Money multiply, no lie. Chilling on an island, sky high. No stress, we just get by. Big cheers, big cheers. Late Raptorus, welcome. How are you? Plan same as yesterday. Yeah, kind of. I mean, S&P is like really, really wants that 6600 in RTH. And there's a lot of Bugammas up there, even above 6600. pushing up on bad highs. It's megaphoning. It's not even megaphoning, but we were just like kind of joking about that. That anchor VWAP is not from the high, which is what you normally would do, but I just wanted to do it from TDO just to see.
Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life we going up.
Yeah, it's even better with that one from the high from overnight. Yeah, maybe from this range. Oh, this is a good one. I'm gonna go from the nuke just for CPI candle. It was bullish since then. Yeah, dev team's on it. Yeah, 105K would be good for you, Biffum, wouldn't it? That's juice as hell. Yeah, so with your 1,000 Bitcoin position, 105K, you're gonna make like $10 million, right? Let's go. Yeah, that's a whole lot of mugs. That's a shitload of mugs. Let's get it. Yeah, one more high or low. QC just accessed the question. Shoutouts to Perception. So you're looking at the one more high or low, possibly. Yeah, it's not that bad to hold this, and we're coming into the weekend, so you never know. We're forming some pretty not good highs, but S&P is like pushing up into weekly close. Oh, I need to get rid of this tick size thing. It's cool for like trying to develop your own settings, but man, I just don't want things in my chart that's already very busy. I'm not going to be here that much longer, guys. I got IRL work to take care of, and I know the team is going to be like, get your shit together. It's really that internal voice to myself, get your shit together. But man, I love juicing with my Lions in the mornings. I wish I could be here all day with you all. I'm sure that you would like to have somebody here, even if it's just for the comfort or some entertainment. You never know what I'm going to say next. I might talk about surfing, I might talk about medicine, I might actually say something of value. But I'm here with you. You're all my brothers and sisters. Yeah, I wouldn't mind it, Inky. I think if it gets all the way down there, it might overshoot it a little bit. And definitely like that 104.8 is interesting, and like all the way down to 103, 102.8 has some importance to them. But we'll see if it ever makes it there. Yeah, big shout outs to you, I19. Much love. Jedi's Kirk, let's go. Chimp, how you doing? How you doing this morning? Sorry I didn't see you over there. There was a bunch of the indicator and other tools posts, but big cheers, shout outs to you. Hope everybody is well, juicing up, getting ready for the weekend. Absolutely, Shishibui. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. More to close your short. Yeah. Yeah, and you can always hold the short as you're like getting filled. Hedge mode. Shoutouts to hedge mode. Shoutouts to the dashboard and our exchanges. Most of them, if not all of them, should have hedge mode activated. I remember some of the exchanges back in the day would not allow hedge mode. You had to have an what is it? It's not an alt account. Shit, it's a sub account. I'm tired, dudes. I'm tired, my dudes. Yeah. You had to have a sub account to even like have a counter position. That was Kachoy, right? Are there any of them that are still like that? Any of our ones? I think MEXC used to be like that. I used to trade over there, but not shout outs to them. Shout outs to BLOFIN, KCEX, BYBIT, WEEX. Yeah, he only sleeps 4 hours. Yeah, maybe not even that. For real. Exclamation dashboard. Yeah, I'm trying to like remember the one that we used to trade on a lot. But MEXC, shoutouts to them. I love MEXC and I have not been trading them lately. Yeah, I know. It's like the... I don't even know. I think like TradingView still get their calculations for some of their data or whatever. I don't know if anybody still trades them, but I'm not. I am trading on almost all of ours right now. Not on MEXC, not on BYBIT. But it's just because of my region. Exclamation Palau, wink wink. Exclamation VPN. Yeah, RPM, shoutouts to you. Yeah, the old heads know about MEXC. But yeah, MEXC was juice. Still is. Exclamation coin-wise. Palau looks like a beautiful place. I think I might have to move over there. Wink wink, maybe Band-Aid. Let's go. Yeah, it's a really, really amazing country. Working nights, that struggle. 9 hours in a week, yeah. 20 hours a week, asleep in a week, yeah. I think that like over the summer, and like this is like kind of the end of it, but in like July, I was pulling stuff like that, and then I had a baby like right away, so it's even worse. But it's getting a little bit better. MEXC did KYC. That's a Kachoy. Where are you, Fifthception? And yeah, that's a Kachoy right there. Don't let nerds see that. You're in Sweden. Good cheers. Sweden, beautiful. Beautiful country, beautiful women. If you couldn't tell, the little bit of blonde that I have a little bit of Swedish in me. Yep.
Got the plans on lock, got the charts decoded. Levels set, bags reloaded, no second guessing, charts unfolded. Levels come back
Very,
on
very
force,
little
I just
bit.
hold it. Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, Viking. Shout out from LA. Los Angeles, sorry, I don't want to offend you. Sir, big cheers. Hope everything is well out there. Yeah, you're getting started. I mean, it's what, 8 in the morning right now. Yeah, let's go, Strat. I like lost my train of thought here. Look at that. That Nuki candle got bought back up right into the hourly close. And it's closing the hour. Nice, nice. I should turn that PvP off. It's distracting. Let's extend this profile. Yeah, I might have to wrap it up here in a few minutes. Ando, thank you, bruh. I knew I was forgetting something. I was about to ask for tickers. Let's go. Save this. Yeah, everything is printing, isn't it? Did S&P just break out? Oh, I think I have an Ondo chart on here, but I haven't TA'd it. Yep, clean that. We need to close above this, but those aren't that great, and definitely have worsened since we printed this high earlier. Yeah.
Map don't never burn, and lions never fold, never chart still cold. KIMBA gang go.
Holding this, that's lower also. You got a lot of liquidity up here. But it seems like that would be a natural resistance. I'll go from the impulse. I'm actually going to pull that back just a tiny bit. And this is where we lost it. That's the real breakout.
How they smoke my letters, how they concentrate. No, they watch, no hater, how they elevate. Charts they run, how they watch and wait. KIMBA gang forever, no debate. Yeah. How they roll one slow.
So the bottom of that, you can see why it rejected in late July. Holding higher lows, pretty good. Those lows aren't great, but we're far from it now. Okay, if we start tucking back below the today's low, we got a little imbalance right there. You got an imbalance right here. Right here. But I'll go into lower time frame and TA it proper right after this. And so I'll pull this up to where we need to clean. Even though that was value area low. That's a big box, I know. That's what he said. Daily VWAP coming up here. We're below it now. We need to get back above daily VWAP. That'll clean some of the local bad highs. You got that little selling channel through here. But we did break from it. Almost to the pixel retest. And back inside value area. So get back above this. VWAP's the first area of interest, or potential resistance. Then point of control and those highs right there. And then it's game on for the full rotation. I'd say that if we get through with strength and volume, the next couple hours, we'll probably kind of at least test value area high. You might have a little bit of you might have a little bit of resistance through here. And I'll throw those PVP candles back on it. So like buyback up to the points of control. You could even have value areas on these, but I just like points of control for my own. Yeah, this is Ondo chart. Yeah, remember when I was like writing the ticker? Ondo. Coinbase. Hit him with the D. Yeah, I broke out from that little selling consolidation. Not great lows, but we're back inside value area, so forget about the lows. We broke structure. Yeah, we miss them too. We miss them too. I'm doing my best though for you. Big cheers. I know it's a different vibe. Hopefully I'm still giving you a little bit of value. The way it is, how you doing? Big cheers. Dean, sorry. Dean, G's. Dings. Patrice. Yeah, big cheers, bro. What do you think? Are you in a long? Run it. Yeah, you're welcome. Big cheers. Thank you. Yeah, trying my best. 0.75. What are you worried about? You are juicing. Let's go. We miss Housty. Did Houstie's account get sniped? I miss Housty. We just saw you last night, didn't we? We need more Housty. He's like, please no, I'm so fucking tired. Buzzo, yeah, same. Shouts to Housty's barber. Yeah, keeping it fresh. Yep. I'm loving it. Frostbite, yeah, let's go. I was like having a trouble with underscores. It's good to unwind from the Tourette's energy. Yeah, exact opposite, I know. I'm like super like subdued. I'm trying to like spice it up a little bit, but I only have so many heartbeats left. Yeah, so I have to budget them. Mango, how are you? You know, we haven't seen Mango in a while. Is this Mango Eric alt account? Pipeline. Big cheers to you, Mango 222-333344444. Much love. Welcome! Exclamation welcome. Yeah, I'm not KIMBA. AT. KIMBA is away. He had some IRL business to take care of with some work and stuff, and you know, we're just trying to hold it down for him until he returns. But we've been juicing with the Lions, having some fun and charting. Got some great giveaways. Exclamation dashboard. If you sign up, you can potentially be eligible. We did poker last weekend, didn't we? I can't remember if it was last weekend or the weekend before. We've been doing a bunch of nerd outs. We've been doing market open, and we have FOMC juice next week. Who's ready for rate cuts? He's on a juice mission, spreading the gospel of juice. Yes, he is. Can I get a Church of Laquania? Oh, I don't have that clip. And I don't have a voice either, so, you know, just use your imagination. Yep, let us pray. God's eyes. Yeah. Shouts to you, Buzz. Shout outs. D. Boy, use D. Shouts, Mark. Shouts, Cage. December 60% for 350, 375. Ooh. Yeah. Let's get off of Hondo and let's look at some other things. Yeah, for any retracement, if we lose this level, you're looking at this potential bullish retest down here. Sorry, I should have finished it before we did all that. Yeah, if it comes back here, you need a bounce in that zone, maybe down to the NPOCs. But any lower than that, and it's cut away. man. It's right above your dollar level. You got a single print helping you out. Even though you kind of partial traded, that's pretty bullish to change structure with a partial trade into the single print zone. Yeah, we did a lot of nerd outs. I don't know how many we did, but we did like 5 maybe in the past couple weeks. They were juicy. Yeah, let's go look over at Soul. I don't know if anything has changed on it. Yeah, this is kind of like our wrap up. Yeah, it's still hanging out underneath our 244. As long as Biddy is not pumping. Yeah, I can imagine like after 11:30 or 12, the climate might change. We have London session settlement for the week, even for CME incoming, and you know, it might just be a little bit of profit taking. We'll see about this afternoon. Yeah, we're still holding the zone, still holding above point of controls. The breakout was like hella far below, and then even the consolidation from earlier, it's like upward consolidation buying channel. Pretty much, it looks like TWAP is probably pulling it through. We'll look at, I mean, CBD is not looking super great with a higher high and a lower high here, but this is our 30-minute chart. It might be a different picture in our hourly. I had RSI on here also. I think it's on the other side, but here's some more demo applications. Oh, look at all these different things. And you can do like program your own one in there. It's kind of juicy. Let's see what RSI tells us. Uh-oh. And we're in the hour. That's hour bear div.
KIMBA gang. Juice in my veins. Levels insane. It's been 3 years. I ain't been the same. Glow up, no change.
Is that exaggerated, or is it like truly a bear div?
Zone doing his thing. I'm just doing my thing. Yeah, I'm just doing my thing.
It's just a regular. So higher high, lower high. Divergence. So in CVD and in... Oh, shout outs to you, Housty. Let's go. The talent show winners are getting paid out today. Let's go. Thanks for your patience, everyone. I know it's been a little bit, but thank goodness that it's coming. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hopefully you weren't too worried. You know we get it. We get it. We take care of our lions. Buzz, Mandalo. Yeah, for you, it is like the Mandalorians, brother. Just because of what you shared with me before, right? Yeah, let's go, Devotee. How are you doing today? Kanagawa, how are you doing? Yeah, we're looking 4 hours. Yeah, you have, it's nothing in 4-hour charts. We broke the divergence from before, and divs are meant to be broken. You know, we probably had some hidden somewhere. And daily's looking good, but I wonder how many days back that is that we had that high. Oh, many, many, many. It's not really valid for that far back. It kind of already played out. Yeah, we'll have to establish a new one if it's going to be based on RSI. Catchoy, yeah. I'm going to switch this back to CBD. The other side of this layout has RSI down below, but it's just like not enough room to stack all of my oscillators and see the chart. I need a bigger screen. I need more screens.
KIMBA gang. I said whole lot of damn juice. Quit playing. I said whole lot of damn juice. Quit playing with me.
That's a lot of naked points in control. But what are you gonna do? Interesting, right? What is this? That's a lower low. We just need a higher low, right? In price action. Somewhere up here. I'll do it from there. Because I don't have my crosshairs on. Is that in the same spot? Yeah. Yeah, we need a higher low. And then you have a hidden bullish. In the 30. Let's see. That actually would be like a triple hidden, wouldn't it? Or double hidden.
Watch the dealer walk. We ain't guessing. We map these plays. Crypto Twitch. When the gamma sways.
Through there.
SPX leads.
Wait, is
Then the
that
perp
one?
reacts. KIMBA gang on it. We track those tracks.
I wouldn't put too much weight in the 30-minute and less weight into time-based candles than volume ones. Yeah, it's this one.
We gon' ride that slow. Stack them zones like it's game of chess. Price breaks down. We don't second guess. You know what it is. Nothing better, nothing better, nothing better, nothing better. Yeah. You know what it is. KIMBA gang live. We don't trade off a whim. Yeah.
Last thing I'll do on Soul, because I didn't put any profiles on it. Impulse. We'll say just even off the daily. Yeah. We'll say from the breakout. Is that... Where do we break out? Yeah, here pretty much. Same. A lot of volume up here. Point of control. Low volume mid below us. I mean, it's pretty expected. Yeah, if it comes back like 235, 234 would be an interesting area for a bounce. I know everybody wants 220 at this point. I know, it's pretty sad. Juicing on Ondo. Let's go, Sandtrax. Ghosted. How are you doing? Owners. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, Dot. Yeah, sure. Absolutely, brother. We haven't charted Dot in a few days. $420. $420. It's an important level. Megaphoning. Weekly VWAP's been holding. That's pretty nice in like real higher time frame. It'll hide that daily TPO. That is not Gucci. I'd be worried about that, like if you were already short. But you're back below the yesterday's open. This has a really similar structure to what we were charting. Was it Ondo that had this structure? I can't remember. But we were charting something earlier that looked a lot like this. Need to hold that. If it does pull back. You have $4, that makes a lot of sense. That's monthly VWAP down there too. Weekly open. You get quite a bit of confluence without even putting a profile on it. Anchor VWAP. I mean, it doesn't mean that that's the right place to pull it. Yeah, that's a lot further down. Value area high holding right here is would be a good thing if it made it back that far. We'll say from this whole beginning of the zone. Yeah, that's a little bit closer. Previous month VWAP. Yeah, get a close up here. We're gonna take that. This is really not good, but you could definitely run into some resistance before there. $4.55 is interesting, and I don't think that this one swept either, did it? Yeah. You get a close right here. This one's on the table. You get a close up here. That one's coming. That's how I'm feeling, but it's like if-thens. No idea yet. He isn't. I don't think he's sure yet. Yeah, we were communicating with him quite a bit, but yeah, he's really tied up, I think. Yeah, Patriots. Yeah, but he's talking to some of the people that are involved. I'm just like a warm body to be in front of you, right? Yep, just like a teensy bit better than the Sato AI. Definitely less funny though. 519. Somehow you can't see it, yeah. Yeah, big cheers, Fipception. Yeah, I would want to hold this if it really pulls back. And you got structure, you got volume down there. 390, and that was a level for like a long time. Yeah, and it'll still keep the higher low narrative going. You're welcome. You're welcome, Mark. Yeah, we're trying our best for you guys. And I'm really enjoying sharing some charts and levels with y'all. Some good vibes and some good laughs. Get to learn a little bit more about some of my fellow lions. I don't know, Dre. This your favorite song? This is a good one. Yeah. I am gonna have to wrap it up really soon though. Does anybody want to see the outro when I am sending off, or you want to just clean break over to the away? Yeah, I think it's Juice, Cytilix. Yeah, the guys did a great job with it. Shoutouts Husey, shoutouts Buzz, shoutouts to anybody else that was a part of it. Shoutouts Cage, shoutouts all of my Lion brothers and sisters. Big thank you to all of you supporting. Yeah, absolutely, my mate Nate. It's been a pleasure this morning. Yeah, big cheers to all the mods and admins. Cyper, Chauncey, Buzz, MGK, Takey, shoutouts Coin Nerd, Cage, Husty, shoutouts Reddy. Big love to Gypsy, Toddler, Cytilix, I19, Fibmath, Syed. Big thank you to Kimba. Exclamation dashboard for our schedule. We got a futures resumption party going on Sunday. We got big things coming next week. FOMC week is going to be juice. It's going to be amazing. Can't wait for Wednesday. It's going to be a great weekend. Make sure that you guys get some rest as well this weekend. Yeah, we just need to hold this. Get some rest, recharge. Next week's a big week. Do a little bit of nerding out, but don't burn yourselves out. Boo Gamma Mama, shout outs to you. Stand up PSG, much love. Much love. Yeah, it was a good week, Curvies. Thank you for being here. Thanks for supporting. You know, I'm not brand new, but it's new for you. So thank you for supporting and sticking with us all week. Yeah, to all of you. Another great session. Yeah, Nwojo, I had a good time. Roll hose. Let's go. I had a great time. It was juice. Got to play with some new toys, exclamation coin wise. That was a fun week playing with these and trying to configure them to our preferences. But we've been getting some juice out of interpreting them. Cowboy Surfer, shout outs to you, brother. Big cheers. Yeah, I hope you have a great weekend. Bud Fox, let's go. I haven't seen you all week, I don't think. You doing all right? Let's go. What was it? Shout outs, Anacott Steel. Let's go. Riddler, big cheers. MJ, Corsaw, Mark, shout outs PSG. Cottony Texan. Yeah. Let's get over to Biddy, and then we'll wrap it up on CME and yes. Yep, still holding. Are we gonna chop here all weekend? Are we gonna break out? Are we gonna retrace all the way back to 110? Who knows? Who knows? But we have some plans, right? Does anybody have last minute questions before we wrap up? I'm already doing that. Shout outs. Lou Time, much love. Buzzo, it was an amazing day. Thanks for your help. Yep, thanks to everybody that's helping out. Crispy, big cheers. Big cheers, big cheers. Yeah, Jedi's Kurt. Nico, much love. Devote. Chimp. Bobby Toxic Pedal, shout outs to you. Superman. Bumbule. No rate cuts, but my lettuce green. We're getting rate cuts and your lettuce green. Let's go. Touch grass this weekend. Enjoy yourselves. Nerd out. Check out PSG. Get in the dashboard. Check out CoinWise. You have access to these indicators. You can try them out and see if you have any that you like. You know, like, you can't beat the price, right? So give it a shot. We've been nerding out on them all week. I think that there might be like a little bit more nerd out on them next week. Maybe a little surprise thang for them. And yeah, it might. I mean, I've never seen single prints on TradingView look like that. That's amazing. That's the whole reason that I bought Trading Light. And now I got it on my TradingView chart that I can actually look at every market. Pretty dope. Super dope. It's amazing. I'm stoked on it. Yep. Lots of cool tools. Shoutouts CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, much love to you all. Exclamation dashboard for all of our great exchanges. Hopefully we're juicing on them. We juicing. Bugatti. Hot dog. There's a little bit of KIMBA for you. It takes a lot for me to do that. I'm gonna just go take a nap for the rest of the weekend. Yo, hot dog. Any of you that were there on that day, you might see it in the highlights, but it was at like 18K or something. Yeah, Bitcoin actually used to be $100,000 cheaper than this. And we've been here for the whole time. But that was the funniest shit. Big Gamma Mama. Much love. Yeah, right? You were there, weren't you? You've been here forever. OG. My mate Nate. The playlist just wrapped up at like the absolute perfect time because then I can cue my outro. Syed, how are you? Yeah, big cheers to everybody. Okay, I said I was going to click it over to the other chart, and I'm going to do my outro. So I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Check out the Discord. Check out CoinWise. Juice up. Rest up. It's going to be an epic week next week. Rate cuts are coming. Let's get it. Dude, did we not just say it's going to do another megaphone? It just kept that high, too. What the fuck? Ah, Kachoya. I was only saying it for the lulz, and it's actually doing it. It's hilarious. It would be hilarious if it, like, I mean, even Biddy's kind of doing it, but it's not like, I don't know. Volume's going down. Volume's declining. Yeah, the last hour. All right, we'll see this 4-hour close and see where it takes us. If things go like super crazy this afternoon, which I'm not expecting, maybe I'll pop back in. So just keep an eye out. We'll give you some sort of notice about it. Get your YouTube or your Twitch notifications set up so you know if anything pops up out of surprise. And otherwise, hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Big cheers. Juice up, juice up, juice up. Love you all. Happy Friday. Later. Later, later, later.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, Dre's gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.